Hey everyone, for our Java project, we built a text-based e-commerce store application. The main idea was to create a simple online shopping system where users can log in, browse products, search for items, add items to cart, and complete a payment process. While building this project, we used object-oriented programming concepts that we learned in Java, like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, interference, and encapsulation. Instead of writing everything in one file, we separated the program into different classes such as product, user, shopping cart, and payment. This made the code more organized, easier to understand, and easier to maintain. We also added features like inventory management, cart handling, and multiple payment options to make the application feel even more realistic. Along with that, the system can handle invalid inputs and different edge cases during execution. So now let's move to the development part of the
So
project.
this program is a simple console-based e-commerce shopping application built in Java. It simulates a basic online store where a user can log in, browse products, and add them to the cart and complete a purchase. So I'll be explaining about the main program. It is the control of the entire application. It starts by asking the user's login, username, password, and address. Without these three, it does not go further. After login, a menu with 5 options will be shown: View Catalog, Add to Cart, View Cart, and Checkout, and the end Exit. The product catalog has 20 items. Depending upon the program, we have introduced only 20 with 4 categories. The user picks products by number and adds them with the quantity to the shopping cart. At checkout, the user chooses UPI, card, or cash on delivery to complete the order. The helper method readInt function is used to safely handle all the number inputs and try catch to avoid crashes. All actual logic like cart management, payment processing, and product data lives in the separate e-commerce package in the main Java file.
E-commerce management system. This manages the payment information and payment pre-processing. It mainly contains the 3 variables: method, details, and amount. Method stores the payment types such as UPI, card, and cash on delivery. Details variable stores the extra payment informations like UPI ID. Amount variable stores the payment amount, and so payment constructor initializes this value when object is created, and process payment constructor displays the payment details and confirm the successful payments, and get method constructor returns the payment method with or without additional details. Overall, this class helps to handle and display the payment information and efficiently in the overall system. Yes.
I'll be explaining about 3 Java files which demonstrate concepts of inheritance in Java. System packages. They are files belong to same economic packages which bundles related to classes together so they can be interacted seamlessly. Explicit blueprint. Display.java acts as a Java display which displays the single display file in the contents which are there, namely methods, contracts, and all, and especially payment system like payment integration. Cart engine, shopping cart acts as a primary delivery application, handling the logical flow and adding items, generating the bill, and also order history related to that. Capacity control, when you attempt to add an item, program verifies if the cart has space or not. If the cart reaches maximum space, it reminds them that cart is full, empty the cart and go to next one. Cart monitoring. Cart monitoring system is done in such a way that based on maximum items added to the cart, it decides whether to fully add or not fully add. Lastly, total calculation, getting total method using basic for loops and while loops, and multiple switch cases and packages used. And invoice generation mainly used for generating invoices for during package delivery and checkout, and using that we can see what in order history what and all we got.
Today I'll be explaining 2 Java files, product.java and storeproduct.java, which demonstrate the concept of inheritance in Java. First, product.java file contains an abstract class called product. Since it is abstract, we cannot directly create objects from it. It stores common product information such as name, price, and stock. It also includes a constructor to initialize these values and a display method to show up product details. Additionally, it declares an abstract method called getCategory, which must be implemented by any subclass. Next, storeProduct.java extends the product class. This means it inherits all the common properties and methods from product. Store product adds an extra field called category, which represents the type of a product, such as electronics, clothing, or books. Its constructor uses the super keyword to initialize inherited fields and stores the category separately. It also provides the implementation of getCategory.
Based store application shows how object-oriented programming can be used in real-world projects. Different classes like product, shopping cart, and payment have separate responsibilities. This makes the programming organization and easy to understand. New features such as direct coupons, new taxes, rates can be added easily. Changes can be made without affecting the main system. Concepts like interface, interference, and data types helps building a structured applications. The shopping process becomes smooth and well organized. The project helps in understanding how class OOPS concepts are applied in practical and software development. This is a valuable learning experience for building large applications in the future. Thank you for your attention. We are happy to answer your questions.